Myself and Dr.M Elevator, BBC. In this video, we will going to share their journey and SMS in detail. Before that, I just want you to inform me.
I'm Bhopal, and my God is currently pursuing degree computer science and technology. Yes, no problem. I'm Lakshita from CST department, currently pursuing as a third year student at SNS College of Engineering. I'm passionately currently pursuing degree computer science and engineering at SNS College of Engineering. I'm Sukesh, a third year student in computer science and technology at SNS College of Engineering. Today, we're going to discuss about design thinking approach. Design thinking is a way of problem solving that mainly focuses on understanding people, identifying their needs, and providing creative solutions. It is not just a limit to design, but it is a way of thinking that enables us to solve real life problems and provide solutions creatively and innovatively. At SNS institutions, this design thinking approach is deeply integrated into the learning process so that students not only focus on theoretical sessions but also have knowledge and apply it in practical sessions. This DT approach enables the student to work as a team, think beyond their books, and also work together as a team to come up with great ideas to solve real life problems. This also makes them become an innovator and also prepares them for their future career. So, to understand this better, let us see the stages of design.
Consists of five important stages of that guide the entire process of problem solving. The first stage is empathize, where we try to understand the users and their needs by observing and interacting with them. The second stage is define, where we clearly identify and state the problem based on our understanding. The third stage is ideate, where we generate multiple creative ideas and possible solutions without any restriction. After that comes the prototype stage, where we create a simple model of or representation of our idea, which can be in the form of an app, a system, or even a basic design. Finally, we have the test stage, where we try out the solution, collect feedback, and make improvement. At SNS institution, students we actively practice these stages through projects, activities which make learning more practical and interesting.
Implementation at our institution. At a SNS institution, the editing is not just the theoretical part, it is also the practical part in our academics. Every students are encouraged to work at the real-time problem solving and develop a solution which can make a difference. Institutions support this approach by providing the uh, incubation centers, entrepreneurship programs, and project-based learnings. And students are also get the opportunity to work on the industrial-related problems and can be even develop startup ideas. For example, the students are now started to develop a smart system for the campus management and health related applications and eco-friendly solutions which addresses the environmental issues. In addition to this, the faculty members act as a mentor. They guide them how to work on projects and improving the students' ideas and reshaping their ideas. This idea will help the students to enhance their problem solving skills and practical knowledge, etc.
Benefits of design thinking. So, design thinking plays a vital role in the enhancement of critical thinking, problem solving, and collaboration and better communication among the students. So, design thinking provides a better collaborative and teamwork. It's because many of design thinking activities were performed by the students in among different groups. So, when they are working on the different groups, they will communicate with each other and share their ideas, which in result it enhances the teamwork and collaboration. And it also helps to improve the communication of the students because when they are in the teamwork, they have to share their feedback and ideas and queries. So it helps them to make them confident and professionalism in the communication. And also, design thinking provides a problem solving ability. It's because instead of thinking in the manual way, the design thinking approach helps to design in multiple ways by understanding the user needs, sustainability, flexibility of these solutions. At SNS institutions, we apply the design thinking not only in practical manner but also in theoretical and academic sessions. By uh, by applying the practical things both in theoretical and sports activity, which in turns helps the students to understand the concept not only by the theoretical manner. In SNS institutions, we apply the 5 stages of design thinking in each theoretical part. It helps them to understand the subject by analyzing its empathy and what is the problem in it and what are the different ideas the student can able to give and how they can able to build the prototype and also how the testing can be in the prototype. In conclusion, design thinking is not just a method, it is a mindset that allows people to approach a problem in a practical way. It bridges the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical sessions, making learning more effective. It not only allows the student to learn, but also to make a difference by innovating it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, you can put it in the comment section. Thank you, students.